In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to split strips into columns in Wix. To accomplish this task, first, make sure you have the Wix editor open for your website. The first step involves adding a strip to your site. Look for the Add Elements button, represented by a plus symbol, located on the left side of your Wix editing interface. Once you click this button, a panel will appear with a variety of elements you can add. Browse this panel and find the strip option. Click on the strip option, and you will encounter multiple strip designs to choose from. You can select any design that suits the overall aesthetic of your website. Once selected, utilize the drag and drop feature to place this strip anywhere on your web page. After successfully placing the strip on your page, the next step involves adding columns to this strip. First, click on the strip you added to the page. Upon doing this, there will be a Layouts icon visible. It resembles a grid. This is the tool you'll use to command Wix Editor to add columns to your strip. When you click the Layouts icon, a new panel will open. In this panel, there is an option titled Add Column. Click this option in order to divide your strip into two distinct sections. If you desire more than two sections, simply repeat the process by clicking on the Add Column button until you have the desired number of sections. Now, you're ready to customize and add content to these new sections or columns you have created. To manage your columns, click on Manage Columns after selecting the strip. This allows you to add additional columns, reorder existing ones, or delete ones you no longer need. To adjust the size of your columns, access the Layouts icon again. From here, you can manually resize your columns by dragging the dividers placed between the columns. You can also select from a range of preset column proportions for quick adjustments. Adding elements such as text, images, or buttons to your columns is as simple as dragging and dropping them where you want them. When initiating a drag action, make sure you see an Attach to Column message before dropping any element. This ensures that the dropped element will be fixed in that particular column. Finally, you have the option to customize each column's background. This is done by clicking on the individual column and then selecting the option to change background. With this option, you can provide a personal touch to every column by picking a unique color, image, or video as the background. This completes the process of splitting strips into columns in your Wix site.